Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of February, 2025, our system has rated D-Wave Quantum as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.68. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 13.43% since we initially recommended purchasing D-Wave Quantum 2 days ago. This results in an average return of about 6.71% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This typically represents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $5.32 is breached, it may indicate a slower rate of increase and could serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of 55.16% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 36.69% to 207.88%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 66.5% over the next year, with a potential return spanning from negative 41.46% to 192.31%. This equates to a price range between $3.54 and $17.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline: High volatility in D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, which concluded trading at $6.04. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price experienced an increase of 13.43% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, rising from $5.33 to $6.04. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 15.07%, with a low of $5.31 and a high of $6.11. The price has risen on 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 9.42% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 26 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 62 million shares bought and sold for approximately $375,360,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $11.41, while the lowest price was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 47.06%, or $5.37, below the 52-week high, and 54.35%, or $7.19, below the all-time high on the 10th of August, 2022, when the price reached $13.23. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has become a central player in the swiftly advancing quantum computing sector. Recent discussions emphasize that 2024 is set to be a crucial year for quantum computing stocks, sparking significant interest among investors. D-Wave CEO, Alan Baratz, has claimed that the company is on the path to becoming the first pure play in quantum computing to reach profitability, a milestone that could bolster investor confidence and potentially elevate stock prices in the near term. The recent introduction of D-Wave's Quantum Realized brand campaign aims to inform the market about the advantages of modern quantum computing solutions, further strengthening its position in the industry. Despite experiencing considerable volatility, particularly with declines noted in January, some investors view these price changes as opportunities to buy. Presently, the stock's price-to-sales ratio stands at an impressive 90.31 times, indicating high expectations for future growth. In the long run, as D-Wave continues to broaden its client base and solidify its market influence, the fundamentals suggest that QBTS could be well positioned for ongoing growth. However, investors should remain aware of the inherent volatility within the quantum computing sector as it begins to mature. The combined effects of increased market understanding and strategic advancements aim to enhance QBTS's valuation trajectory over time. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBS a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight rating with a hold action. On that same Tuesday, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBS a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to D-Wave Quantum stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these could impact short-term developments. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Inc. currently shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $6.73. Conversely, if it declines, there will be support from the short-term average at $5.86. A breakout through the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, and thus far the stock has declined by 40.84%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 79 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 69 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 73 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.81. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes it as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 80 cents between its high and low, reflecting a change of 15.7%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 11.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit levels and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -9 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $6.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $5.81. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 23, 2025, John M. Markovich executed an insider sale of 5,582 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On January 23, 2025, Alan E. Baratz performed an insider sale of 8,372 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On January 23, 2025, Diane Nguyen conducted an insider sale of 2,383 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On January 23, 2025, Diane Nguyen again executed an insider sale of 2,383 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On January 23, 2025, John M. Markovich conducted another insider sale of 5,582 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 31.450. Overall, insiders have purchased 48,103,780 shares and sold 94,978,205 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.68, which represents a decline of 6%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 25 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? D-Wave Quantum Incorporated displays several positive indicators. However, they do not provide sufficient grounds to categorize it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may choose to maintain or gradually accumulate their positions while waiting for further developments. Upon evaluating the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open lower by 22 cents and commence trading at $5.82. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities is essential. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decision. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.